Today, we're tackling a critical question. What happens if you don't pay DoorDash taxes? A seemingly simple query, but it's packed with complexity and serious consequences. First off, let's clarify what we mean by DoorDash taxes. As a DoorDash driver, you're considered an independent contractor, which means you're responsible for reporting your income and paying taxes on it, including federal income tax, state tax, and self-employment tax. Not handling these obligations correctly can lead to a tangled mess. So, what happens if you skip out on paying these taxes? Initially, you might not notice much. The IRS isn't known for instant reactions. However, failing to report your income and pay the due taxes can trigger a series of increasingly severe penalties. For starters, you'll be hit with a failure to file penalty if you didn't file a tax return by the due date, including extensions. This penalty amounts to 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that a tax return is late, maxing out at 25%. Additionally, a failure to pay penalty will apply, calculated at 0.5% of your unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that the taxes aren't paid, with a cap of 25%. Interest also accrues on your unpaid taxes from the due date of the return until the date of payment. The rate is determined quarterly and is the federal short-term rate plus 3%. If the IRS catches on, and it's likely they will, you could find yourself facing an audit. An audit is an in-depth review of your financial records and tax return to verify that your tax reporting is accurate. If discrepancies are found, you could owe back taxes, penalties, and interest. In the most severe cases, failure to pay taxes can lead to legal action, including tax liens against your property or even criminal charges for tax evasion. These outcomes are rare and typically result from significant underreporting and a refusal to cooperate with the IRS. It's not all doom and gloom, though. If you've missed paying your taxes, the IRS offers options to help you get back on track, such as payment plans or an offer in compromise, which might allow you to settle your tax debts for less than the full amount owed. In conclusion, not paying your DoorDash taxes can lead to a cascade of penalties, interest charges, and even legal trouble. The smart route is to report your income accurately and pay your taxes on time. If you're in a bind, don't ignore the problem. Reach out to the IRS or a tax professional to discuss your options. Thank you for watching. Navigating tax obligations as an independent contractor can be tricky, but understanding the potential consequences and knowing how to address any issues can save you from a lot of headaches down the road. Stay informed and take action when necessary. Safe dashing and responsible tax handling to all.